Let's see. So you have this Four of Pentacles, no? Four of Pentacles, and then Ten of Swords. So ang nakikita ko rito, no, mga Leo natin, no, possible na paparating for you. I think, no, parang this is no, kung makikita ninyo rito, no, regarding sa relationship, right, no? Kung makikita nyo, there is someone here, no, behind his back, no, nakikipag-usap yung kanyang partner sa iba, right, for some of you. So ang nakikita ko rito na possible na paparating, no, may heartbreak, no, may break